Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's time for a shave video. Real quick, I'm gonna roll that intro. Well, I am late to the shave party. Today, I'm going to be talking about a new series by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Thumbnail. And I just had a shave with this, and big dummy me, I had all these notes and thoughts in my head. I got to talking and shaving, and the one thing I forgot was to hit the record button. Anyway, this is a interesting label. It is Doppelganger Continuum Collection #1, and I'm sure you guys have already seen some of the other videos and posts about this. I'm still recovering from knee surgery. Things are going well. It's just kind of a slow process. But anyway, beyond that, Douglas and Fran sent this set to me for review for free. So I'd like to say thank you to Douglas and Fran. And this label is very intriguing to me. And when I opened up the box, I was pleasantly surprised with a new Shave Splash box. And here's what it looks like. And I know you guys have already seen all this stuff, so I'm not going to get real crazy into the review. But if you'd like my opinions, I'll kind of go over them quickly. Let's talk about the scent profile. So I can't remember all of them. I've got a little list here. It's going to start out with bergamot, citrus, neroli, rose, carnation, iris, cedar, jasmine, lang lang, amber, leather, musk, tobacco, birch, vetiver, and vanilla. Now, all those scents in there are well blended. And if you guys don't know, Douglas is very good about bringing back vintage scents, and that's kind of his thing. And sometimes he'll modify them or tweak them, as he sees fit. And surprisingly, this collection is, I think it's going to be like a monthly release of, various scents. And Fran is the person behind a lot of this. And so this is going to be an interesting, I don't know however long it's going to go on, 6 months, year, who knows. But I just can't stop staring at that label. It's just pretty cool. It kind of reminds me of the theme of, I don't know, is it as above, so below? Just thinking about those little clones there drifting amidst. And I know you guys probably already know, but the orange orbs in the background is actually an eye exam that Douglas had, and so he put that in there. Okay, so on to kind of probably what you guys are wanting to know, like what is my take on the scent profile? Well, here's the thing that I really enjoy about wet shaving is wet shaving allows you to express yourself. And I'm glad we don't just have one or two scent options like back in the day. You really didn't have very many options. And so it allows you to choose the things that you like, and the things that you dislike, you can just pass on. And so it gives everybody an opportunity to try new things or different things. And I think it even says on the logo here, where was it? Right here, try something different. Well, this is another perfect opportunity to try things, just like the Advent calendar. And for me, this is a vintage type scent, and there are going to be many people that love it and rave about it. But for me, it's got some key notes in there that just don't reach out and grab me that well. So off the top, I get kind of a, let me open it up and just get another whiff. Here's what the soap looks like. And yes, so it opens up with kind of that sweet, citrusy, floral scent. And it's, to me, the soap out of the tub smells different than the Splash. But I think that's just because of the soap ingredients. Whenever you wear it and allow it to dry down, it has the same effect. But then there's several layers into the dry down. And I did wear this on the back of my hand for quite a few days, trying to figure out exactly what it smells like. And so then at the final dry down for me, it has that nice, mellow, kind of vetiver, earthy scent. And so if you guys have already purchased this or have had a chance to try the sample, because some of the previous orders, Douglas had sent out samples with them, let me know in the comments below what's your take on this scent, or if you don't have it, would you be, based on the scent profile, would you be interested in trying this scent? The other thing I wanted to mention is this is a dupe of Chanel, and it is Russian leather is kind of the dupe behind it. And I'm not going to try to pronounce the name. I will leave a link in the description box below to this particular fragrance. And if you want to read more on it, there will be a whole list there. I'll probably even copy and paste kind of the description portion in the description box below. And that's going to be my video for the day. I wish you guys could have enjoyed the shave with me. Big dummy me, I forgot to hit that button. And often you'll see me in other videos. I'll even kind of look up there to see whether it's the timer is in red. So, oh well, that's on me. Maybe I'll break this out in a video later on and go through it, but everybody knows that's been watching the channel or who has used the CK6 formula, they all know that the base is an excellent base and it works well, so there's no surprise there. It all just kind of comes down to scents and preferences and what you like. And if you're on the edge of making a decision, that's where, you know, you go to YouTube and search out the guys that you watch and see what they think. And even then, you know, my opinion is probably going to be different than yours. So it's kind of one of those things, you just have to get out of your comfort zone and try something different. So I will see you guys on the next video. Hopefully I'll remember to hit the record button. And I hope that you guys have a great rest of your week.